Good day from the Institute of Galatentology. As you may or may not have heard, Gala Tent have launched a brand new pop-up gazebo called the Pro 60. The Pro 60 is purportedly the UK's strongest gazebo available to buy for the money. Now, it's not like Gala Tent have been hammering this point home to you with video after video with that idiot Ryan in it, is it? It's not like they're trying to drill home that the Gala Shade Pro 60 is the UK's strongest pop-up gazebo. Now, in my small laboratory, I cannot fit the ruddy thing. So, in order to show you the differences between the Pro 60 and the other pop-up gazebos in the Gala Tent range, I have decided to use human representation of pop-up gazebos. First we have here Samantha, who will represent the Gala Shade Pro DX. Compact, elegant, easy on the eye, but ultimately quite weak compared to the best, like a warm limb handshake or a kitten of some... Oh my gosh! Okay. I'm sorry, the Gala Shade Pro DX. Though she is small, she is indeed mighty. Next up we have Nathan. He will represent the Pro 40. Once upon a time he could have represented the Pro 50, but he's lost a lot of weight recently, which rather conveniently helps to prove my point. Nathan is a commercial grade boy, robust and sturdy like a mule with an incredible haircut and too many trainers. His now more lightweight frame can do many of the things his heavier self could do, and in many ways they look identical. But he is more easily transportable and can probably be managed by one person. See? Then we see how the Gala Shade Pro 60 measures up against the others. Donovan here will represent the Pro 60, and as you can see, he is a very, very tall, strong man. He is an immovable object. He is Mother Nature's bodyguard. He is quite simply breathtakingly large. If we were allowed to do it, I would have him fight 20 to 30 children just to prove how strong he is, but we're not. Instead, let's take a look at this easy guide to gazebo relativity using people as gazebos. So, there you have it. The entry level, the mid-range commercial and the top of the range pop-up gazebos from Gala Tent in human form. Drink it in, it is a sight to behold. I did try to find the human representation of one of those 50 pounds gazebos you can get from the Aldi, but unfortunately they had very brittle bones and they couldn't leave the house. Not all people are the same, and nor are gazebos. Some are better suited than others, and you don't always need the most expensive one. So, why don't you give the team a call on 01709 242454 now and chat to Donovan and his colleagues about your next gazebo.
Cut!
Is that okay? Okay?
Yeah, I think in maybe next time you can stand to the left a little bit. Yeah, your father's yours.
Samantha, may I have a word, please?
Yeah?
Come with me, please.
Okay.
Now, Samantha, look, I know you're new, and I know you're just a stupid girl, but if you humiliate me like that again, I will make sure you never work in this town again. Do you understand?
Yeah, fine. Yeah, okay. Sorry.
Good, good. Now let's make sure it never happens again. Bless your stupid socks. Can you believe it? Can you believe it? Stupid girl, humiliating me like that. She will never, ever work in this town. She is an absolute... Happy Halloween from all of us at Gala Tent!